Hello everyone, my name is Rio from the Rainforest Journalism Fund, or RJF, at the Pulitzer Center. And in this video, I will show you how to apply for RJF grant. I will use our special call on Cambodia and the Mekong region as an example in this video. So here's the landing page, and you'll find the link to the application here. So to start, you need to make an account on Submittable, our application system. If you haven't already, please do sign up by filling out your email and some details. Next, go to your inbox and verify your Submittable account. Follow all the instructions in the email. After you created the account, now you can fill the form, and this is the form for our grant application in Southeast Asia. First, you have to fill out some details of your address, and here's where you can fill out your project title, description, budget, etc. You need to also submit your work examples and references. When filling the information, you must complete information for question with star or asterisk, like this. Please ensure that you provide the answer and information requested and pay attention to the word limit. It is best if you prepare your information ahead of time. You can copy and paste all the details to this application form. You can also prepare a budget plan in a separate file and upload it here. And don't forget to fill out your details here. You will also fill out your reference details, or you can upload reference letters that you have prepared beforehand. This is where you can showcase your work samples, and if you team up with other journalists, you can add it here. And lastly, before you submit your application, please review and check your responses and details. You may reach the RJF team if you have further questions. And good luck!